Yeah, initially when was thinking of this workshop, I had many apprehensions in my mind, holding back the teachers on a teacher's day. But then I was very hopeful that this workshop would really be very wonderful. And when I attended this workshop, I found it was much, much more than my expectations.
You're leaders of this new world. You're the lighthouses. Just like it is raining outside today, inside also it's going to rain, I'm telling you. It's going to rain ideas. It's going to rain inspiration. It's going to rain aha moments. It's going to rain self-realization. But it's only up to you how much you take it.
Session with Simarjeet was actually wonderful, I must say, because there are many motivational speakers, you listen to them, but he actually touched the heart, basically.
The way he delivered the lecture was excellent. His command over the language was also very, very good.
Today's session has been an immense pleasure, and whatever I learned, it was like being rejuvenated again.
Don't focus too much on what you are against. Focus more on what you are for, what you are in support of, and it will strengthen you. And this is the way forward, because teachers are the lighthouses of the society. I am who I am courtesy to my teachers.
And apart from everything, what I summarize is be a catalyst in learning and keep the ignition on.
उनका ये कहना कि नज़र तो आप चेंज कर नहीं सकते, लेकिन नज़रिया चेंज कर लेना चाहिए, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. और उसके बाद टीचर्स डे पे ये कहना कि वी आर क्रिएटिंग यूथ, वो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आया, रियली.
थर्ड कैटेगरी दोस्तों बड़ी खतरनाक है. These are actively disengaged people. इनका मंत्र है ना तो भाई मैं खुश हूं जीवन में, पर ना तुझे खुश देख सकता हूं.
So for the teacher, we really understood that the life is all full of struggles and happiness everywhere. But how to cope up with the struggles and leaving aside your baggage and dealing with the children, that's more important. And that's where you make an impact on the children.
At times, we feel that, we fail or we might fail as a teacher. So the way again Sir guided, like not to give up, cripping and quitting should not be the way of life. So I love that.
He made us realize that what good we are going to do for the society and making good for the youth coming in front of us. We as teachers have learned a lot. We need to be more receptive and we need to encourage the children. The stuff is available everywhere around, but we need to be at the positive side. We should be spreading positivity, should be giving a personalized attention to the children, and sometimes keeping the syllabus aside, we should at least talk our heart out and listen to them as well.
A person's professional DNA means when all his skills, his knowledge, his ability, his marks, his credentials, his degrees, etc. are all taken away, and that person is put into an entirely new field जहां आपकी पिछली qualifications, experience relevant नहीं है. How will you operate in that new environment is your professional DNA. So every teacher who wants to excel, it's very important that we get in touch with our professional DNA.
I think we as teachers need almost daily doses of such motivation. And kudos to the team Simarjeet, who could live up to our expectations.